Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix mouse cursor moving on its own in Windows 11. And also guys, this method will work in Windows 10. Click on Start, search Control Panel, open Control Panel, select large icons as View By. Here click on Mouse. Here click on Pointer Options. Unselect this setting. Automatically move pointer to the default button in a dialog box. So unselect this checkbox. Then select Hide Pointer while typing. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Close and restart. Second method to fix this problem. Click on Start. Search Device Manager. Expand mic and other pointing devices. Right click on your mouse and update driver. Firstly, select Search automatically for driver. Still not working, so search for update drivers on Windows Update. Still you are facing problems, so third method, right click on it and uninstall device. Click on uninstall. Once you successfully uninstall, close and restart your system. So this is the method to fix and resolve mouse pointer errors. Please comment any method work for you or not.